If you look right here below, right here, you see that? That's a Tahoe. So that Tahoe is in my company's name. And you see this right here, I'm standing in the balcony of a townhouse. This townhouse was also purchased leveraging the power of credit. So I put together a process to show you not only how to do that, but how to go out and get $250,000 in 12 months or less in the company's name, get a company car like that without using your personal credit, without it showing up on your personal credit, then how to take that money and go start a business. So if you want to get in Turo, if you want to get an Airbnb, if you just want to do real estate investing, makes no difference. If you're already an existing entrepreneur and you have a business and you're looking to scale it to bring on staff, this process is going to show you step by step how to do that. Now, I don't have all my cards with me, but I do have a few, so I always keep cards with me. And this Delta Sky Miles card, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight this right now because I just got upgraded to medallion status. So every time I spend $1 on this card, I'm gonna get 7 airline miles, and I exclusively fly Delta. Why am I bringing this up? Because in the dashboard, I have something called Credit Card Mastery, where I'm breaking down step by step how to, number one, get maximum lines of credit. And then number two, outside of getting your business credit right, now let me show you how to start maximizing credit cards. Never, ever, 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 ever use debit, use credit all the time because you're gonna get rewards points. Then how do you pay for auto loans, mortgages, rent, whatever the case is, to get the points and the bonuses so that way you can use their money to travel for free. So I'm breaking that down in Credit Card Mastery. And the biggest thing though that I found that's extremely important is cash flow. So two things come here with this cash flow. I have something called the My Cash Clarity System. That is a personalized app that we use with our separate company to help you maximize all of your money. So you're gonna know exactly where every dollar is going. Not only that, you're gonna have your net worth statement available and have access to see what your spending decisions are. And then to add also to that, I have something called the cash flow control system where I'm gonna break down step by step how to do 3 things. Number one, take care of the present, take care of the future, and then take care of the past at the same time where you're managing your money. Many people don't know how to maximize credit because they have poor relationships with money. This system is going to show you how to do this step by step. So I have other things in there too: home buying blueprint, auto financing system, how to buy a company car, you name it, it's back there. Then we have our Q&As every single Monday, every Thursday, either with myself or one of our credit coaches. And then last but not least, we also have Q&As for the business side. So if you're like, hey, look, Kenny, I need to go ahead and set up an LLC, but I'm not exactly sure how to do that. I need to get a commercial address, but I'm not really sure how to do that. I need a website, but I'm not really sure how to do that. I want to get a business checking account, but I'm not sure which bank should I go to. All right, do I need to hire an attorney to set up my LLC or my INC? What's a registered agent, Kenny? What bank is a SBFE lender? How do we do this? And then how do we start getting tier 1 to tier 7 credit? All of this back there. So if you want to get that blueprint, click the link just below this video. I'm literally giving you everything you need to get the money from the banks and start leveraging their money to get real assets. I'm living proof that my process works and it will work for you as well. All you gotta do is follow the blueprint. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.